Ladies and gentlemen, I am super excited that my business partner shared this video with you. I know you're probably looking to lose 10, 20, 30, 50 pounds or more. Well, I am super excited as my name is Candace Bird Davis, health and wellness specialist, and excited to be able to share with you this revolutionary weight loss system that's going to help you achieve your results with ease and very little effort. Now, I know what it's like to fight weight loss. I know what it's like to deal with obesity. I myself went through my weight loss challenges where I was able to lose a total of 108 pounds. But I'll be honest with you, trying multiple different systems in the past just got me frustrated and feeling like I failed. Why is that? Let's be honest, we don't want to be bothered with the fact that you're going to have to count calories, you're going to have to count carbs, you're going to have to measure what you eat until now. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited to share with you a kit that we refer to as the Trim Kit. This revolutionary weight loss system is going to help you lose 1 to 2 pounds per day. And why I'm excited about this kit is because you're not going to have to carry around pills, potions, lotions, and juices. How many times do you remember going through a weight loss journey and you're going to have to pack your lunch, carry a lunch, you're going to have to bring certain shakes and juices with you, and then you leave the house and you forget it. So you crash your diet for the entire day. Well, I'm here to share with you a system that we call the Trim Kit. Ladies and gentlemen, I am super excited about the Trim Kit that you see behind me as I get ready to share with you how this kit is going to help you lose 1 to 2 pounds a day almost effortlessly. The first product that I want to talk to you about today in our Trim Kit is a product called Trim 365. Why do I love this product? This product has been allowing some of my customers all around the world to achieve results like Mickey Lyles, who lost 16 pounds in 14 days. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you some of the customer testimonials that we got, but this particular product is going to kill your appetite. It's going to cut off your cravings for carbs, sugars, sweet, and salties. Let's be honest, we start the weight loss journey and we last 1 to 2 days because we get consumed with the craving of a carb or a snack. This particular product is all liquid. It's used sublingually, so you're going to spray 6 sprays either in the side of your mouth or under your tongue. You're going to hold it for 15 seconds and swallow it. 30 minutes later, it's going to cut off your appetite, kill the cravings for carbs, sugars, sweet, and salties. You're going to lose 1 pound a day alone. And the best part is, you're not going to have to count calories. You're not going to have to count carbs. The only thing that you're going to be counting is the pounds that are coming off of that scale. Ladies and gentlemen, the second product that I want to introduce to you in this kit is a product called Boost. This is our natural energy supplement. Why is a natural energy supplement important? As the Trim 365 cuts off your appetite, there's going to be some foods that naturally give you energy. But because you're going to start eating less, you're going to need more energy. In most cases, what people do is they go grab the energy drinks, which pass through their body quickly and they're unhealthy for them. Well, this is a natural energy that's going to pack your body with the energy that you need to get through the day. The best part is it's not going to give you any sugar crashes. It's not going to give you any delays. But what it's going to do is immediately after using it, and again, it's a sublingual spray, you're going to spray 6 sprays in your mouth when you need the energy, either in your cheek or under your tongue. 15 minutes later, you're going to feel power-packed energy, natural, raw energy that's going to kick in and last 4 to 6 hours. It's exciting because this product also includes B6, B12. So not only do you get the natural energy, but you get your metabolism sped up as well. Then what we have in this kit, ladies and gentlemen, is a product called Peak. This is our performance product. Again, as we're eating less because of the Trim 365, your Peak is going to be able to pack your body with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. What it's going to do is turn your fat into fuel. So it's going to speed up your metabolism, so you're going to burn fat faster. It's going to increase your immune system because as you're eating less, you're not getting so many nutrients, so this is going to replace the nutrients back in your body. Not only that, it is packed with deer antler velvet, and it is also an adaptogen, which means it starts to find whatever whatever illnesses that are in your body, and it begins to repair it. So ladies and gentlemen, our trim kit is the overall performance kit for you to achieve your weight loss goals. If you're looking to lose that 10, 20, 30, even 50 pounds or more, if you want to lose 1 to 2 pounds, if you're ready to get fine by summertime or drop it all by the fall, I want you to get back to my business partner who shared this video with you. Because one thing that I know is in this industry of weight loss, you're going to find a lot of companies that don't have a natural product. You're going to find a lot of companies that are going to have pills, potions, lotions, and juices. Our product line has been formulated to be all liquid. So it's immediately going to hit your bloodstream. It's going to give you quick results. But on top of that, it's sleek and convenient because you can take your appetite suppressant with you. You can take your energy with you without carrying around a pill bottle. You can take your vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and your performance enhancer with you without carrying around vitamins. All of this can literally put it in your pocket and take it to go. So now there's no excuse as to why this trim system cannot help you achieve your goals. Ladies and gentlemen, this trim system retails for $69. And I'm excited because we offer a 100% money back guarantee. So we know that we're going to get you the results that you're looking for just in time for summertime. Check out some of these amazing testimonials of people who have been using the trim kit. Look at their results and then imagine yourself in the next 7, 14, 21, and even 30 days from now. I'm excited for you to kick off your weight loss journey, and I'm more excited to hear your testimony about our trim kit. Have an amazing, blessed day, my friends. Goodbye.